into this video, we're going to be using this gel color from Valentino. It's number 13, and we'll also be using 43, which is a white color. And essentially, as you all can see from the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you how to do like a V-cut French tip design on a coffin nail shape. And like I said, it's going to be like nude and white. So here I'm just showing you the brushes that I'm using. They can be found on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Same thing with the little palette I'm using. You'll see I will use it later on to put the white polish down on so that I can get it onto my striping brush. And I'm just doing a good even amount of this nude color from Valentino. You definitely want to do, you really can get away with one coat. You probably want to do 2 coats just to be on the safe side, but honestly I was fine with 1 coat, so it's really up to you. Just do it at your discretion. And then each color I let cure for 60 seconds in my Chiara Sky gel lamp. Okay, and moving right on into this next part. So I went ahead and, like I said, put the white polish down onto my palette, and then I ran my striper brush through the area of the white. And so I'm just doing 2 lines going diagonally down and kind of meeting them up in the center. And essentially, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory how to do the V-cut French, but I feel like sometimes you know, people don't always show you how to do these, but these are like really awesome simple designs. You can also do it with acrylic, however it takes way longer with acrylic. If you want to save time and, you know, just not have to do all that work, definitely for sure go this route with doing it. But I will say, like, the V-cut with acrylic does look a little bit cleaner in my opinion, but it also does take a lot of work, and make sure you're charging accordingly if you are going to be doing it with acrylic. And then basically, so once I went ahead and drew my lines, I did just go in and fill in the spaces that were lacking white. And then, yeah, I did that. And then I just put it back into the lamp for another 60 seconds. And you'll see me come in with this little white brush here before I cured it, just to clean up the lines and make sure they were both even on both sides. And just, you know, came in and just fixed everything as best as I could, because, you know, this is a time that you want to do that. You don't want to try to fix something after you put it in the lamp, because just a few seconds and it's already put in place. So really take your time. Alright, and right here I'm just going in with the second coat of the white gel polish from Valentino, and I am using a different brush. This is actually my old striping brush set that I got from my nail supply store that's up the road, but honestly I didn't like it at all. I really just use these because essentially the hairs, they've flared out a lot and they just got deformed, so I just don't really use them like that anymore. But I really do like the set that I got off Amazon, so like I said, I would be linking that down below for you all. Also, just a tip, when you get done polishing, make sure you take your fingers and just wipe down the side of the nails you see me doing here. That helps prevent you from losing your shape. And then in the next clip, I just put on the Valentino No Wipe top coat. Hope you all found this video enjoyable and informative, and I'll see you guys in the next one.